So you just learned how to use the Google Calendar. Next, we are going to talk about Clever. So Clever is the one-stop shop for all of the different curriculum apps, supplemental apps, Epic Live, all kinds of things that you are probably going to need to access every day. So what do you think we're going to do? That's right, we're going to bookmark it. But how do we get there? So let me explain how we're going to get there. We're going to open up a new tab up here. We're going to go to clever.com. Over here, we're going to log in as a student. So it should be Epic Charter School, but that was not working. So I came down here and I just recognized it says Epic Charter School, okay. And I clicked that one. Those two names, that is a principal and an MDI, and then it switched to the correct principal and MDI. So I don't know why that did that, but you know, technology. So we're gonna go with it. If you can find Epic Charter Schools, that's where we're at. So we have Franzio and Bloom, that is my principal and my MDI, and here we have Elijah's Clever. The very first thing I want you to do is bookmark it. So we're gonna sit here, add a bookmark. We don't need it to say portal. I always like to shorten my bookmarks. And there is Clever on our bookmark bar. So now we have our Gmail, school calendar, and Clever. You can favorite some of these apps. So say your student is doing Freckle, we're gonna favorite it. And then they also have maybe Accelerate. Now we have our Epic Live, our Classcraft. Renaissance is Freckle. That's also where the STAR tests take place. And then Accelerate. There's all kinds of different things that you can do on Clever. Not only can you access these programs right here, but you can also send me a message. I also get on Clever every day because I need to check and see what my students are doing, and I have these apps as well. So, hi teacher. You can send me a nice little message. It makes me smile. I will message you back. And it's just super fun. These are the apps that you are going to be using is what's available to you as well. You can also see Google Classroom, Google Drive, which I would highly recommend hearting as well, Google Docs, Gmail, and Calendar. If you want to go ahead and heart your calendar and Gmail, you can. And this kind of looks like our bookmark bar up here, right? Yeah, so we want those to match. It's just a different way of going to some of the same places. All right, I hope that is helpful. Please make sure Clever is bookmarked.